Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y90 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this HUAWEI. You need to start by opening device's clock. Now just alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon. After that, set up an hour and choose repeat. Now you need to pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones and save them by choosing OK. Then you need to click on label and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Now click on OK and tap on ring duration. Over here, pick how many minutes your alarm will ring. I will go with 30. Now choose snooze duration. Over here you need to swipe left or right to pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're ready, tap on OK and finally select sound. Now choose allow and tap on one of those melodies to set up the best one for you, like New Day. After that, just go back. But you can also choose music on device and pick music from your smartphone by clicking on it and going back as well. I don't have any, so I will go with that one. Now go into vibration and select one of those vibration patterns for your alarm, like tap tap tap, or disable vibrations completely by choosing none. When you're ready, click on the back button twice and save your alarm by choosing the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to turn it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm though, you need to hold it, select one of them, I want to get rid of that one, and tap on delete over here. Now just delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!